Hello everyone! Now I will show the third recipe for making dumplings. You definitely haven't seen one of these. There are two ways to prepare fried dumplings. The first way is to fry them first and then stew them until tender. The second way is to boil them first and then fry them. As a result, we will find out which way is better. And there is another way that I have never tried. At the end, we will check it too. In general, I can say that dumplings that first boiled and then fried turn out to be more crispy, but I also like the dumplings with onions, mushrooms, garlic, in sour cream sauce. They also turn out delicious. It's impossible to compare completely different dishes. As for dumplings in the oven, there are the most unusual dumplings that I have ever tried. It turned out quite unusual. It will definitely surprise you, friends. I advise you to repeat. Like and subscribe. Also, you can watch a video about homemade dumplings in my channel.